I think one of the, for better or for worse, one of our core values is transparency. That's on our website. Whether it's good or bad, we're going to tell you. Sometimes it bites us in the ass. Sometimes clients really understand and appreciate us being candid with them and upfront, like, yo, sorry, someone got caught in 5 hours worth of traffic today.
He's just parked in there waiting for us to come, I think.
Yeah, should we just? He sees that we're looking at him. I think that's the problem. He sees that we're looking at him. He thinks we're going to buy some.
I mean, I could always go for ice cream.
Ice cream? We get you want to get ice cream? Let's get ice cream.
We're in Brewery Town, just waiting for our concrete guys to show up. Concrete truck is here, and we're just waiting on the guys to come so we can pour our footings. And the ice cream man came, so why not?
So essentially, they built these forms all around in the basement area of the house or of the duplex. So what they're going to do is they're going to use this chute, which is on top of their truck over there, and you'll see when we get closer. They're going to add it to the concrete truck and move it around and fill those forms around the bottom of the foundation here. And then from there, they'll do walls up on top of it. But the first step is they have to get that foundation right, level, and then they got bolts in it. It's good to go.
That won't be that loud the whole time. He's just mixing it right now. I mean, when we're out here checking, we're looking for, make sure the right rebar's in, the right amount, the spacing, and we're also making sure that the forms are actually the right size, the width, the length, the height, everything, because concrete is very permanent. So once you put that in, you're not getting it back out easily.
All right, so this is the future home of Mobile Outfitters. We already did everything that we were supposed to do. We're waiting for the trigger pull and everything to start.